Yep. You got no belt?
What?
Well, I usually, whenever I enter courthouses, I usually expect to see a scanner, like a belt you put your stuff on. You're looking at me all confused.
It's a metal detector.
It's in.
You can keep your hat.
It's in other courthouses.
Okay. All right. What's in here?
Well, you can look at it. I'm sure.
What do we got in here?
Well, you'll see. I'll open up these two. Yeah, I bicycled here.
Okay.
I'm looking for the prosecutor's office.
Okay. I'll get you there here as soon as I look at your other stuff. You can come through when you're ready.
Oh, okay. I'm ready.
Okay. All right. All right. So you're looking for the district attorney's office?
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to talk to the district attorney or if it's a city attorney. Probably be district.
Okay, so that's two different buildings.
Yeah, that's. I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll talk to the district attorney and also the clerk of courts.
Okay.
It might be a different clerk of courts office too.
There's only one. So you're going to go down this hallway.
Yeah.
The next lobby, you'll see the district attorney's office right there. Clerk of courts is across.
Down. Okay, down this first floor and straight up.
Hallway, next lobby, you'll see it.
Next lobby.
Yeah.
It's stuff for yeah, and the picnic. It's like all the plates and silverware and yeah.
District attorney. Alright, so will you guys be handling my case? I got a picture of the tickets. Is it you wanna play with it or?
No, I'm just looking right here.
Okay. Make it bigger?
Can you spell your last name?
H-E what?
Oh, just go ahead.
I-N-Z-E.
What was your first?
Travis, this was yesterday. You probably don't have it.
No, but we
Okay.
would be.
I'm
we
just.
would be coming here if it was Outagamie.
Okay,
Sheriff's
so
Office.
you're familiar with this type of ticket, and it'll likely go through your prosecutor's office.
So I just started here in March.
Okay, maybe I should talk to somebody who's got more experience.
So the person that would be handling that ticket isn't in office because she's on vacation.
Okay, all right. Well, I kind of need to talk to. I mean, all the district attorneys are on vacation.
So if you're a defendant in something,
Yep.
the attorneys won't speak with you until
Okay.
the initial appearance if you wait
Oh.
for the attorney.
Okay, all right. So that's how you want to play that game. You
I'm
don't.
not playing a game. I'm just
All right.
explaining to you the process.
Well, I mean, I gotta file some motions to somebody.
You
So.
can file some motions over at Clerk of Courts if you want to file.
Oh, go through the Clerk of Courts?
This gentleman is upset over this citation.
Well, yeah,
And
that's.
he's wondering if you might be able to answer questions from, I don't know.
Are you a district attorney?
She's
I
not, but
was
she
just.
will help you more with, because you said that you wanted to speak to somebody that had more experience.
I work in the traffic. I'm one of the paralegals here. Can I help you?
Well, I just want to figure out who I go through. And it sounds like you answered my question. If I want to file some motions, which is the discovery request to get the evidence,
Right.
that's the number one thing I want to do.
Right.
And I just want to know who I go to. I just want to make sure I'm in the right office to get that evidence that I can use for my trial.
So what you're talking about is a discovery demand.
Demand, yeah.
Yeah, that's what you want, and it's a document that you have to file with the Clerk of Courts.
Okay, yeah, I'll just get their email, and I don't need to submit anything to the prosecutor's office because the Clerk of Courts will send it over. Is that what you're saying?
Correct. Yes. And,
Okay.
And I'm not sure. You have to check with them. I don't know if you can just email that to them or if you have to do something where you have to hand it in to them directly. I don't know the procedures for someone that's pro se.
You don't have that system, that computer system where the lawyers can input their motions into that?
Yep.
You do have, what's that called? What's that system called?
CCAP.
CCAP? Okay. Yeah, but I may not be able to do that.
Right, you can get access through them. I don't know how it works, but I know that you can, as a pro se person without an attorney,
Yeah.
you can work with them, and then anything that you file will come to us automatically.
Yeah, okay.
Is
All
your
right.
case open right now?
Well, yeah, yesterday, so it's fresh. You don't.
Oh, so you just got the ticket yesterday?
Yeah, so you don't have it in your system.
No, it won't be
So-
here yet. When's your hearing date?
September.
Oh, it'll be a while before we get ours open here.
But, okay, but I want to get that evidence. I mean, the evidence is now, you know? So I want to know, whenever the prosecutor gets it, whatever they see, I want to see,
Sure.
okay? Whenever they get it.
Yeah.
And the cops have it now. So how long do the cops hold on to it before they give it to the prosecutor?
Well, what
you know?
happens is you got the ticket goes into their system, this is all electronic, it goes into their system, and then it'll go into the Clerk of Courts, and then you have your hearing,
I don't get it through the Clerk of Courts. I don't, the Clerk of Courts doesn't hold
the
evidence,
ticket.
just a ticket.
Right, the ticket, this is what starts the whole thing. So the ticket goes over
Oh.
there, and then you have your hearing, right, that first hearing.
Oh, and I want to push that up too, because I'm a traveler, and I'm also requesting if we can come into an agreement of having a sooner date than September. Because I mean, I don't live here, and I got a ticket for camping, and now I'm forced to camp in the area to wait for our court hearing. And I want to push that sooner so I reduce my risk of more camping violations.
Sure.
So I want to come to an agreement and make that request, maybe have the court hearing pushed up sooner.
That would be
So,
the court commissioner.
If you're, oh, yes.
The court commissioner is who schedules the hearing. And so if you want a sooner hearing, you'd have to ask them if they can give you.
I know I can't talk to them directly, okay, because,
You can.
what?
Yeah, you can.
No, my case, well, they don't have my case, but once they find out I do have a case, then it'll be, what's that word that they use? It's one-sided conversation, and, you know, it's illegal because, you know, the prosecutor would nail about...
Ex parte, yeah.
Ex parte, that's right. Yeah, I want to be safe about that. You're saying there wouldn't be a problem with ex parte?
Just moving the date, the hearing?
Yeah.
No.
Well, the prosecutor is going to need to know that, and they're going to
You'll
need...
get notified electronically.
Oh, you'll just notify? But the prosecutor has a schedule too, and
It comes to us, that's fine.
The-
If they
the-
want to move the date, they can move the date.
okay, the prosecutor's schedule is the judge's schedule. It's simple as that. They don't have to coordinate.
No, we figure it out. Once it's...
Did you figure it out?
details,
Okay.
then we figure it out. Yeah.
Okay, but you're saying it's a good idea to talk to that commissioner judge.
Well, you talk to their staff. You won't...
Oh,
talk to
yeah.
the judge's office. That's down the hall.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do
Tell
that.
them that you got a ticket and you're from out of the area and you want to know if you can move your date out.
Yeah, I'll give him a good story.
Don't give them too much. Just tell them.
Oh, yeah, I don't want the facts of the case.
Just tell them you're from out of the area and you want to make an appearance and you want to know if you can get in sooner.
Yeah, I do want to do that. Okay, then, all right, I guess, yeah, I mean,
Okay.
all right.
Well,
I guess, yeah, I'll just, at this point, yeah. Oh, you are recording, okay. Court Commissioner Office. All right, I want to open up walk-in, okay. Here we go. Okay, hi, I'd like to push my court date up sooner.
Case number or
Well, you're not gonna have it in your system, but I mean, I
I
can,
can't push anything sooner if it's not in my system.
okay. Okay, because, I mean, the sheriff's office has it.
Is it a citation?
Yeah, I mean, you were notified to pay or appear. Whenever you get it in your system from yesterday, so yesterday doesn't
You
really,
got a ticket yesterday?
yeah,
Your best bet would be to make a photocopy of your citation.
yeah, it's right here.
Make a photocopy of your citation and write on it,
I'm not paying for a photocopy. I'm not paying any money for this.
write a letter asking for a sooner court date. I say a photocopy because it's got all the information on it.
Okay, may I have an email to email that to?
Clerk of Courts does not accept emails, they only accept letters. or
Okay.
faxes.
Do you have a system, a little system where the lawyers can input motions
The
into?
Clerk of Courts does.
Is that
The
called
Court
C-
Commissioner's office,
Is it-
all of that stuff is located over in the Clerk of
Yeah,
Courts.
but I mean they don't push up the court dates.
No, they accept the filings,
I-
and then they push it off on whoever is scheduled
Oh,
to reschedule.
maybe a motion to reschedule. You're suggesting just go send them a motion to try to just put. And I want to push up the schedule, and you guys have a schedule, but put it in writing. You're saying, and then maybe I could do that today or tomorrow, and then I'll follow back and come back here and follow up on that in a couple of days.
I don't know how long it's gonna take an officer would need to file the citation first. The clerk
No,
of
no,
courts-
it's filed. It's right here.
No, that's not how it works.
Oh, how long do you think it's going to take for the?
I don't know.
Oh,
That's
I should
another
talk-
question for the clerk of courts.
No,
don't know.
I could talk to the sheriff's office and ask them how long it takes from them holding on to it to you guys getting
It
it.
depends on the type of citation.
I mean, it looks like it's electronical. It looks like it's
It
instant.
takes a while. They're
Yep.
in their system before they file it because the court date's way out there, so it wouldn't be a priority
Yeah,
to them.
and I don't want it way out there. I'm a traveler. I'm forced to camp in the city as I wait, and this is.
Or you could ask to hear by phone at a later date because you're
Phone?
available for.
I don't have a phone plan. I have to make personal visits. A phone. That's why I asked for email. I don't.
Statute doesn't allow them to do that at this point.
The statute? Are you able to quote the statute, or
Clerk of Courts would be
they
able to
would be
tell
able to?
you.
Okay.
Clerk of Courts would be able to tell
Okay. Yeah. All right. I should read those statutes. I didn't know that there's something that prevents email, even though in this day and age it's set
you.
up.
Emails go down, emails get.
Oh, that's the argument.
I
it
mean,
could-
that's part of it, yeah, emails go down.
yeah.
and there's other things, but they don't accept emails at this point.
Yeah, they've come to an agreement in some way that emails go down, so we can't. Paperwork's more reliable than emails.
If you gave them a piece of paper, they'd have it in their system,
Yeah.
They'd be able to scan it.
Okay. All right. Well. All right. I guess that's
An email might get a firewall and that might not be delivered.
Oh, firewall. Oh, yeah. There's paperwork is so much more reliable, right? All right. Okay, I just want to confirm that I can't email you guys my motions.
Correct.
And I have
You
to,
cannot email.
and on as pro se, you prevent CCAP access to pro se.
What kind of case is it?
It's this one, and it's a camping charge, and you don't have it because it was just filed yesterday. I mean, I was given it yesterday, so I have to ask the sheriff when they will send it to you guys, because the left hand doesn't talk to the right hand, right? So
Where did that come from?
is your sheriff Outagamie sheriffs?
Okay.
So it's
It's Appleton, so it should be.
Yeah, city police did show up at that park. I was surprised. That's in the jurisdiction of Appleton, but the sheriff took it over. Sheriff has
No, if forfeitures do e-filing. Let me go find out for you, Travis. Okay, give me just a second. I'll be right back.
Find out what?
If you can do like e-filing through it. Where
Oh.
You can get like a code.
Yeah, because you have a statute that says emails are not allowed.
Right, yeah, we
Do you-
don't do any emails.
Are you? I can look it up, but are you able to quote that statute yourself? I don't expect you. Okay, that's fine.
No, I just know we don't do any emails.
I can try to find this. Yeah.
Give me a second, okay?
Okay.
So once the case is in the system, like
Yeah.
in CCAP, you can e-file documents.
can?
Yep, you have
Okay,
to get an
'cause
opt-in code, and there's a
Can you-
$35 fee. I
I'm not
believe,
paying
for
that.
it. So.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can always drop stuff off.
Yeah, I
here.
wanna. I guess I wanna push the court date up sooner, get discovery, but also I guess file an indigent status in some way. If there's something now, and then I guess I need to do that by paperwork to
Yep.
try to
Yep. So,
qualify.
you'll have to get the case number because we have to put it
Yeah,
on the case.
it's right here.
No, our case number.
Oh, you said different. Okay.
Yeah, So once it's in the system, we would be able to
Okay,
get
and
any documents you wanted right onto it.
Okay, I need to ask the sheriff how long it'll be before you
It
get
is
it. 'Cause
all up to that, or
the-
to the department.
the
that-
sheriff.
Yes.
Because you don't know how long it takes them normally,
Correct.
right?
Yeah, it could be
It's-
today, it could be 2-3 weeks.
Yeah, you're the receivers. You don't decide.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're just the keepers of the record. so.
Okay, I guess that's all I have to ask.
Perfect.
All right. Exit. Oh my god. Oh wait, this is the bathroom. Yo, I want to leave.
You go right here. Just go
Oh,
this way.
okay, I'll figure that out.
You'll see
I
it.
had my back to it.
I know, there's so many different doors here.
Yeah. Oh man. I hope my bicycle wasn't stolen. Forgot to bring a lock.